सुखे उपकारे करे कोई मनहविमान आने रे
सकळ लोकमा सहुणे वंदे
निंदा न करे के नीरे जीवा थकिय सत्य न बोले भरधन नव ज्वले हाथ रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर बराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर बराई जाने रे
वैष्णव जन तो
तेने कहिए जे महामाया व्यापी नहीं जेने दृढ़ वैराग्य जेनो मन मारे
रामानमाशु तामिलागी सकला तीरता तेरा तारा मारे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर बराई जाने रे पर दुःख उपकार करे तो ये मन विमान नान रे
Wanalopinie kapatera hitseche kamakrara nivarare
भाणे नरसायो ठेनो दर्शन करता खुड़ाई को तेरे थार्या रे
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीर बराई जाने
Namaskar, good evening. We all have gathered here today to pay tributes to Mahatma Gandhi ji on the occasion of his 151st birth anniversary today. I am pleased to welcome all the guests who have joined us here in our auditorium today and the members of the community, including students and teachers of various schools in the UAE who have joined us today virtually through our social media platforms. We will now start the program with remarks of Ambassador Shri Pawan Kapoor. Today we also have among us special guest, senior representative from the Fatima bint Muhammad bin Zayed Initiative, FBMI, which is a community development initiative under the patronage of Her Highness Sheikha Fatima bint Muhammad bin Zayed. The FBMA artisans have prepared a beautiful wall carpet depicting the official logo of Gandhi at 150, which we are seeing there on the corner also, celebrations using handmade wool, specially to associate with us on the celebrations of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. FBMI representative will present this special carpet to Ambassador Shri Pawan Kapoor. Following the presentation, a well-known classical singer from Abu Dhabi, Shri Sanjoy Dey, along with his group, will present some of the favorite bhajans of Gandhiji. May I now invite Ambassador Shri Pawan Kapoor ji on stage to deliver his remarks on this occasion. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome, namaste to all of you, and greetings for Gandhi Jayanti. It's a special day for us all today, the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and of course, it's being celebrated in the most unnatural and abnormal of circumstances. But as Sandeep just said, we have lots of people hopefully joining us virtually, and this is at least some way of getting across our messages and our tributes to Gandhiji to them today. We started, marking the occasion in the Government of India for Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary from 2nd October 2018 itself, which was the start of that year, marking his 150th birth anniversary. And this was marked and commemorated in different ways in the UAE, both in the consulate in Dubai and here in our mission in Abu Dhabi. We started on 2nd October 2018 actually with the iconic the lighting of the iconic Burj Khalifa in Dubai with an image of Gandhiji with wonderful sayings of his very terse but pithy sayings, and along with the playing of the bhajan Vaishnav Janato Tene Kahiye. And that evening itself here we were very pleased that we had Sheikh Nayan, who you just saw there. Sheikh Nayan gave a lecture that evening on 2nd October here in Abu Dhabi on Gandhiji. That was a very special occasion for us, of course. Later on in the year, again, just a couple of months later in December, we had the soft launch of the Gandhi Zayed Digital Museum, which was done by our then Foreign Minister, the late Sushma Swaraj, along with His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed. That was on December the 4th. The formal launch of the museum took place later in March 2019. But we also had Yasir Habib, the famous Emirati singer, sing Vaishnav Janato. You've just seen how people from all over the world sang that bhajan. This was a special project undertaken by the Ministry of External Affairs of the Government of India. And we had, I think, more than 120 countries participate in this. So Yasir Habib from the UAE also sang that bhajan, and I hope that later on we'll have the occasion to hear that bhajan in the course of the evening's proceedings. Subsequently, we also had actually a fashion show on Khadi in January 2019 as part of our National Day reception to promote the famous homespun fabric of Khadi, Gandhiji's favored fabric, and this was done also in collaboration with the General Women's Union here in the UAE with workshops. So not only did they depict Indian dresses, but also the abayas worn by Emirati women. Subsequently, we were able to also install a bust of Gandhiji from where some of us have just come out after paying floral tributes. This was installed last year on August 15, or our Independence Day, in the presence of a large number of members of our Indian community. Then in August last year, we also had a very important visit again of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and we were very fortunate that Emirates Post that time launched some special commemorative stamps for Gandhiji, and this was done in the presence of our Prime Minister as well as His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan here in Abu Dhabi. And very recently, just earlier in the week, we had a special online katha, a Gandhi katha, or a story of Gandhiji by Dr. Shobna Radhakrishna. In a very unique way, she told the story about what his life and teachings were about in a manner in which she could reach out to the children. Because again, we had many children from schools listening in on that occasion. And I think that was a wonderful way to get across the message to children, because their understanding of some of these concepts of Gandhiji is different, and it's not as easy as it appears to be. Which actually brings me to the point that these teachings of Gandhiji, although they might appear and sound simple, they are much more difficult to practice. He kept saying that his life, he said, my life is my message, so everything I do, and that's really what he did. He followed and practiced everything that he preached, no matter what difficulties that put for him and his family. Sacrifice was an essential part of it, and he felt that was important. His his real dominant belief was in truth, and he said that was the ultimate aim of life, and he said we have to use ahimsa or non-violence as a way of achieving that truth. And like I said, and I've said in the past that these things are not easy to implement. He's the famous one who said and followed that if he was hit on one cheek, he offered another cheek to be hit on, which is not a natural thing at all to do for most people. And because he felt that at the end of the day, if you are not following this principle, his famous quote was that an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. So where will this stop? So somebody has to take a stand and say, no, we will achieve this, but through a non-violent means. And what a powerful weapon he made that out to be. The mighty British Empire from India was also forced to understand the strength of this lone man standing in barely just his very basic loincloth and few things, but holding forth and saying that no, he will not respond with violence. He told all his followers, don't respond in violence. Yes, they would be arrested, they would be taken away, no problem. But he would continue to follow the path of non-violence but frustrate them into understanding that what their demands were, what our demands were genuine and needed and were in the interest of justice. So he in a way managed to bring even the British Empire to its knees through his policies of non-violence, of course, with the full support of the entire people of India. When Dr. Shobna Radhakrishna spoke on that online katha early in the week, she explained the significance and the importance of the salt satyagraha and how people kept on joining him as he walked from his ashram in Ahmedabad, the Gandhi ashram, to Dandi, and picked up the salt made from the sea. And of course, that created such a stir all over. And how many people all over, whether it's journalists or others, who wrote and brought his story and brought the story of India to the world. There was also a wonderful mention about somebody like Albert Einstein, who had tremendous regard and understanding for Gandhiji. In fact, he was reported to have actually said that many years down the lane, generations later, people will wonder and think if such a man actually existed and served in the world. That was the strength of his feeling and understanding for Gandhiji. He was also extremely simple in his way of life. He said that you can manage with very little things. He had considerable foresight. He foresaw that, that the earth has enough to offer. But as he said, the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not for every man's greed. And here he was talking about how we should preserve our environment. We should work with natural things that we have. He would care for everything in the ashram that he lived. He talked about water harvesting that time. These were ideas way ahead of their time, but the significance is so relevant today. In the last 15, 20 years, the idea of climate change, of damage to the environment has been, of course, on the forefront of the world's agenda. But to think of these at that time and make practical suggestions on what to do was really reflective of his foresight and understanding. Finally, I would just say that given the fact that these messages are still so important today, it's a time for us to reflect amongst ourselves and in terms of his teachings, to see what of those teachings are still things that we can implement individually in our daily lives, but also, of course, collectively as a group, as a community, and, of course, when it comes to nations, to see how we can follow his guiding beliefs, his teachings, so that we can try and attain what was his real objective, which was universal peace, but through complete non-violence can be attained for the world, which would be the most ideal situation. So it's a time today to reflect on those, and I think we've got an interesting set of a couple of events lined up today, of course, in the limited manner in which we are. But thank you for being here, both here, of course, few of you here in the audience, but many, many more of you out there on our social media platforms. Very, very special thanks for you to joining in, and I hope you imbibe more from what you see and hear today. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request you to please continue to remain on the stage. May I now invite onto the stage Mr. Maiwand Zabar Khail, Managing Director of the FBMI, for presentation of the special gift to the ambassador. Please. Thank you, Ambassador, sir. Thank you, Mr. Maiwand Zabar Khail. Yes, please. So we thank FBMI for this memorable gift. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi ji used to spin cotton on his charkha and always used to wear handmade khadi clothes. This beautiful wall carpet made of handmade wool produced by the artisans of FBMI is a priceless gift of friendship from UAE to India. Ladies and gentlemen, singing and participating in bhajans has been a favorite activity of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and Vaishnav Janato Tene Kahiye was his favorite bhajan. The bhajan is about compassion, human values, and universal brotherhood. We would like to present you today a video version of this bhajan sung by famous Emirati singer Mr. Yasser Habib to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji in the UAE. So please enjoy this bhajan.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीदे पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीदे पराई जाने रे पर दुख उपकार करे तो ये मना पिमाना आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीदे पराई जाने रे सकल लोकमान सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के रे सकल लोकमान सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के रे बाज काच मन निश्चल राखे तन तन जननी तेरी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीदे पराई जाने रे लोबिने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवार्या रे वन लोभिने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवार्या रे बहनन सयो तेनु दर्शन करता और को तारे तारिया रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीते पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीते पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीते पराई जाने रे
So after this beautiful bhajan by Emirati singer Yasir Habib ji, let us now invite onto stage Mr. Sanjoy Dey and his disciples for presenting some of the bhajans that Gandhiji was also very fond of listening to. Mr. Prashant Ambika Vijay will accompany Mr. Sanjay Dey on tabla. So please welcome Mr. Sanjay Dey and his group.
वैष्णव जन तो वैष्णव जन वैष्णव वैष्णव जन तो वैष्णव जन तो भजन तो तेने कहिए जे वीर पराए जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे वीर पराए जाने तृष्णा त्यागी
समदृष्टिने तृष्णा त्यागी
समदृष्टिने तृष्णा त्यागी
दृष्टिने तृष्णा त्यागी
समदृष्टिने तृष्णा त्यागी
परस्त्रीजने मातरे परस्त्रीजने मातरे
जीवा थकिया
सत्य न बोले जीवा थकी असत्य न बोले परधन न बजरे हाथ रे कृष्ण भजन तेने कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे कृष्ण भजन
बनलो भीने कपट रहित छे बनलो भीने कपट रहित छे बनलो भीने कपट रहित छे कपट
भीने कपट रहित छे
बनलो भीने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोधने भारा रे 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 कपट रोहित छे काम क्रोधने भारा रे बनलो भीने कपट रोहित छे
बनलो भीने कपट रोहित छे बनलो भीने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोधने भारा रे
बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता दर्शन करता दर्शन करता दर्शन करता दर्शन करता दर्शन करता बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता दर्शन करता बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता
बन नरसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता कुल एक तेरा तारा रे
कुल एक तेरा तारा रे कुल
एक तेरा तारा
रघुपति राघव राजा रघुपति राजा रघुपति राजा राम रघुपति राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम रघुपति
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम सीता सीताराम 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 रघुपति
राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
भज प्यारे मन सीताराम भज प्यारे मन सीताराम भज प्यारे मन सीताराम भज
प्यारे मन सीताराम
भज
भज प्यारे मन सीताराम भज प्यारे
रघुपति राघव
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित
पतित पावन सीताराम राम रतन धन पायो 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 पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरे सतगुरु वस्तु अमोलिक वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरे सतगुरु कृपा कर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन
धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरे सतगुरु वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरे सतगुरु कृपा कर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने कृपा कर अपनायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम
जन्म जन्म की जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाए जग में सभी खोआयो पायो जी मैंने जग में जी पाए जग में सभी खोआयो पायो जी मैंने राम
रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
खर्च नहीं कोई चोर न लेवे
खर्च न खोटे चोर न लूटे खर्च न खोटे चोर न लूटे
दिन दिना बरत सबायो पायो जी मैंने दिन दिना बरत सबायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
सत के नाम के बटिया सतगुरु सत के नाम के बटिया सतगुरु
सत के नाम खेवटे असत गुरु भव सागर तर आयो पायो जी मैंने
सत के नाम के बटिया सतगुरु भव सागर तन आयो पायो जी मैंने भव सागर तर आयो पायो जी मैंने
भव सागर तर आयो पायो जी मैंने भव सागर फिर भव सागर तर आयो भव सागर तर आयो भव सागर तर आयो सतके नाम खेवटिया सतगुरु
सत के नाम के बटिया सतगुरु सत सागर तर आयो पायो जी मैंने भव सागर तर आयो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने
राम रतन धन पायो राम रतन धन पायो 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 राम रतन धन पायो
राम रतन धन पायो पायो जी मैंने राम रतन
धन पायो धन पायो धन पायो।
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Day, and to your group also for taking us through this soothing musical experience. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Embassy of India, Abu Dhabi, I thank you all for joining us today to pay tributes to Mahatma Gandhi ji. Thank you. Namaskar.